Hey guys, I'm gonna do, sorry about that. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a Subway Surfers episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, and peace. So, I'm gonna do episode 3. So, yeah, this time I'm doing letters as well. But I never got that letter. Leave the description down below if you want more episodes, or if you don't want more episodes, if you don't like them. So, and I played this game called Rift and a bunch of other games on Miniclip and stuff like that. So, wow. Okay, oh damn it. Oh, I got 2 letters. So I got 2 letters. Oh god. This is the letters episode where you get all the letters and stuff. So, yeah, just enjoy. I love climbing onto trains, then going like that and then going like this. D. I got D. So the word is lead. I'm gonna have to. Okay, daily challenge completed. I'm gonna see what I get. Okay, this is the chance. Do 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 do. A guitar. Fine. So hope you like my episode 3 and subscribe and like. So yeah, this is my episode 3 and subscribe and like. So bye YouTubers.